Embrace an OEM quality dash installation panel engineered exclusively for the GMR7V1 source unit. The MBQRP-DASH-1 is a dash installation kit designed by MB Quart for Polaris RZR Pro XP, Turbo R, and Pro R models from 2020 to 2024. This kit facilitates the seamless integration of the GMR7V1 source unit into your vehicle's dashboard, ensuring an OEM quality fit and finish. It includes a high-impact dash panel specifically molded for the GMR7V1, a vehicle-specific pulse-style power wiring harness, a 10-inch radio antenna, and a Carling-style auxiliary input panel supporting 3.5mm USB-A and USB-C connections. The dash is also a great pairing with the MBQRP Stage 3 RC1 and MBQRP Stage 3 RC UP1 as well. Now let's get started. Here's a list of tools needed for this install. Begin by removing 2 T40 Torx screws from hood. Slide the hood toward the rear of the vehicle and remove. Remove center cover or storage compartment dependent on vehicle. Carefully pull up and remove dash trim to the left of the cluster. Carefully pull up and remove dash trim to the right of the cluster. Carefully pull up and remove dash trim on the right of the dash. Open the glove box lid. Remove 4 T20 Torx screws from the glove box. Using a T40 Torx, remove 2 screws from the front dash. Remove 2 T40 Torx screws from the center of the dash. Remove 3 T40 Torx screws behind the cluster. On the front of the vehicle, remove 2 T40 Torx screws and 2 push-pin rivets. Carefully lift edge of left front fender to release from dash. Repeat process on right front fender. Carefully keep the front fenders elevated while tilting the dash panel up towards the seating area and slide toward the rear of the vehicle. Unclip and remove cover panel. Mark 2 holes on the top right front fender. Drill antenna post hole with a 1/2-inch drill bit and alignment pin hole with 3/16 drill bit. Please ensure distance between center of each hole is 9/16 of an inch apart. The drill template is located at the rear of the manual. Install the antenna. The serrated side of wiring goes toward body panel side. Tighten down with an 8mm wrench. Then, pass wire into the dash of the vehicle. Over on the bench, mount 4 M4 washers and M4 by 10mm Phillips screws to the MB Quart GMR7. Install MB Quart GMR7 into the radio dash. Snap radio and dash panel into vehicle's center dash area. Connect the radio harness into the radio and then connect radio harness into an available opening in the Polaris pulse bar. Locate an unused car link switch opening and remove the cover. Snap in the PSA P3S and connect to the radio. If optioned for the GMR mic switch mounted microphone, locate another unused car link switch opening and remove the cover. Snap it in and connect to the radio. Connect other audio components. Turn the vehicle on and test the operation of the audio system. Install dash and dash components in the reverse order of disassembly. That's it for this installation. To learn more about this or any other audio product for your RZR, head over to mbqrt.com. Thanks for watching.